What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and again we are here at SeaWorld Orlando for a Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. We showed you in our last update yesterday that crews were going to be placing the highest support in place probably today. Well, guess what? They have. And the crane is in the air, and it looks like we're actually about to top off the ride right now. Parking was not bad. Security was a breeze. Ticket windows have pretty much no weight whatsoever. But yes, tallest support is up right now. Looks awesome. And yep, just around the ticket booth, so I can see a piece of track already in the air, about ready to go. So in just a second, you'll see it. And ta-da, there it is. So that is about to go up, and the highest portion of the ride will be complete. That's awesome. And it looks like some of the guys are going up in the lift right now. Crane is ready to go. So we should be lifting that top piece any moment. Alright, so the guys are at the height with the lift, and one of them is about to hop on the track piece. There's a protective end cap on the rails, and that's what those guys are removing right now. Man, I want one of those. And there goes the track, going up. There it is. It's flying, baby. I'm surprised they don't have a flag or a tree on there, since it is the highest point of the ride, but hey, get the track up there. Alright, well, it looks like the pin is about to go in, and should start putting bolts in any second. You already know, we love that sound. Bolt's getting tightened down. And the last couple of bolts are going in now for the end of this track segment. And they got to go up to the support over here and bolt that down. One thing to note with all the banging going on, obviously it's pretty loud, but what I'm thinking is the track and supports are not filled with sand, which means this thing should have a roar. All right, bolts are in and we have started tightening them down. Just a couple more bolts left to tighten down, and then we're going to release tension on the straps, and the piece will be in place. There we go. Tension has been released on the straps, and that track is now in place. All right, all the straps are off. Crane is going to cable up, and then we're all done. For today, at least. Man, that is an awesome sight to see. Pipeline, the surf coaster, topped out. So we are now at 110 feet in the air. Yep, crane and boom lift are coming down, so we are done for the day. Well, this might be the longest period of time between the intro of the video and actually entering the park, but we're inside. We're on our way. No wait to get through. So yeah, a little bit busier today. Howl-O-Scream is going on. More guests were inside the park today. Temperatures, not too bad again, just like the last couple days, somewhere in the 80s. A little bit warmer though. Front entrance of the park, and just look at how Pipeline is transforming everything. Those are some interesting flanges on the back of that support.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? In preparation for Howl-O-Scream this evening.
Bridge time. Let's go check out what the site looks like. Again, it was awesome to see crews doing the vertical construction for the highest point of the ride. And check it out. We got more track on truck beds over there. So that means more is going to go up tomorrow. Support columns are down on the ground over there for the third tallest support. And as we saw earlier, they've started putting up that column right there. Just look at that turnaround.
Infinity Falls, Sesame Street Land, Mako, Shark Encounter, Wild Arctic, Altitude Burger welcome you to stop by Guest Services to purchase tickets for Howl-O-Scream tonight. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld Orlando.
Sky Tower, and once again, another day, and I have not seen it run. Hopefully that changes. Until then, well, it's going to be closed for a while. Well guys, it's getting later in the day, almost 5 o'clock, and I'm not going to tour around the entire park. I got to get home and try to get this update done tonight. So no drone, unfortunately. We'll get it, I promise, sometime soon. Let's go check out one of my favorite animals, shall we? Manta, and of course, right next to it, home to our pink chickens. A lot of sleepy babies today. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Crews were very busy today as they installed the tall support as well as 2 track segments topping off the ride. They also worked a little bit on the 3rd tall support. 2 more segments of track are on the ground waiting to go up, along with more supports as well. And we're going to have more updates from here. So if you do like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway, guys. Bye.